To measure the temperature of objects, we use a device called thermometer. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature. The medical thermometer consists of three main parts: a thick glass tube and a capillary tube closed from one of its ends, and a mercury bulb connected to the other end of the capillary tube. Starts from 35 Celsius degree to 42 Celsius degree. But why? Because the normal temperature of the human being equals 37 Celsius degree. So it measures the temperature between 35 and 42. Also, you can notice that each degree is divided into 10 equal parts. For example, between 35 and 36, there are 10 equal parts. So each part equals 1/10 degree. Then dry the medical thermometer by using tissue paper. Then pour the thermometer beneath the tongue for a minute. Then read the measurement. Then sterilize the medical thermometer again. And dry it by using tissue paper. You should note that first, the normal temperature of the healthy person is 37 Celsius degree. Second, you should shake the medical thermometer in this way. But why? To force the mercury to get back to the mercury bulb to measure the temperature correctly. Also, you should keep the medical thermometer out of the reach of children because the mercury is a toxic material. thick glass tube. Second, it contains a capillary tube closed from one of its ends. Number 3, it contains also a mercury ball connected to the other end of the capillary tube. In 1747, the Swedish scientist Andreas Celsius, he thought about thermometer, and he bring a thermometer without degrees, okay? And first he put the thermometer in ice cup, and he left the mercury to shrink until it becomes stable. Then he write 0 point, it is the melting point of water. Then he put the thermometer in a boiling water. Boiling what? Boiling water. Here there is no degrees, and he left the mercury to expand. So the mercury expands until it become here. So he write it is 100 Celsius degree. It is the boiling point of water. Then he divide this distance into 100 parts, 100 equal parts. Each part equals 1 Celsius degree. Because first, it is a liquid metal. When I say metal, so it has a metallic color, so we can see it easily through the glass tube. Some other thermometers are made up of ethyl alcohol in red color, so we can also see it easily through the capillary tube. Mercury is a metal, which means that it is a good conductor of heat, which means that mercury volume will change by changing the temperature. So the mercury will expand by increasing the temperature and will shrink by decreasing the temperature. Mercury expands regularly by changing the temperature, which means that each Celsius degree, the mercury volume increases by the same amount, which gives us an accurate estimation. Also, mercury has a great benefit, which is it doesn't stick to the capillary tube. If we compare between the medical thermometer and the Celsius thermometer, first, the structure. The medical thermometer contains a thick, transparent glass tube. Also, the Celsius thermometer contains a thick, transparent glass tube. It has A mercury bar, also the Celsius thermometer contains a mercury bar. Also it has a capillary tube. Also the Celsius thermometer contains a capillary tube. But the difference between the medical thermometer and the Celsius thermometer, first, the medical thermometer contains a concentration to prevent mercury from going back to the mercury bar to enable us to measure the temperature accurately. While the Celsius thermometer doesn't contain a concentration. The medical thermometer scale starts from 35 Celsius degree to 42 Celsius degree, while the Celsius thermometer starts from 0.0 Celsius degree till 100 Celsius degree. The medical thermometer used to measure the temperature of human being, while the Celsius thermometer is used to measure the temperature of liquids and the temperature of atmosphere. Also, you should note that we can't use the medical thermometer to measure the temperature of liquids. Why? Because the medical thermometer ends at 42 Celsius degree. So if we put the medical thermometer in a boiling cup of water or tea, it will explode.